Welcome everybody, my name is Ola El Hosseini. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to summarize big data and how to make analysis to it by using pivot table. In this example, we have a sheet. This sheet contains the sales transaction for the products, and I want to make analysis to these sales transactions, and I want to display the sales total for each brand and its related product, and I want to display the sales values as a percentage. Okay, before I show you how to do this, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button to receive the upcoming videos. Now let me show you how to do this. Okay, the first step, we have sheet. This sheet contains the sales transaction, and this data contains different column, okay, such as the date field, quarter, product name, category, brand, price, quantity, total, okay. And this data is formatted as a table, and this table has a name. Its name is sales data, okay. The second step, I am going to create the pivot table, so be sure to highlight any cell in your table like this and click Insert tab, Pivot Table command. From Create Pivot Table, the default option is select a table or range. Excel automatically detects the name of your table, okay? And if you want to highlight the data range, you can do it, but be sure to highlight the header row, okay. But in this tutorial, I want the whole table, and I want to create the pivot table in a new worksheet and press OK. Now Excel create a new worksheet for the pivot table, okay, and I want to display the brand field as a row label. So I checked the brand field like this. Automatically pivot table as the field to the rows area. Now the brand is displaying as a row labels, okay, and I want to display its related product, so I checked product name field. Now pivot table displays the brands and its related products, okay, and I want to display the quarter as a column label, so I drag it to the columns area like this. The next step, I want to display the sales total for each brand and its related product. So I drag total field to the values area. Now, pivot table displays the sales total for each brand and for its related product. Okay. The next step, I want to display the sales values as a percentage. So I am going to add the total field to the values area again. Okay, now we have the sales total for each brand and its related product twice. Okay, the next step, I want to display the values as a percentage, okay? So I click any cell in the next field and right click. From the shortcut menu, click Show Values As and click Percent of Column Total. Okay, now I have field display the sales values, and another one display the values as a percentage. Okay, and we can change the label for each field like this. Okay, and I want to change the field that displays the values as a percentage. And press enter. okay? And you can change the style of your pivot table by click design tab and select any style that you want, like this one. Okay, that's it. If you like the content, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and see you in another tutorial.